isn't actually a form of suicide. It's more a form of warfare.
There. 𝚸𝚗's been listening in. He's on the other side of this device. He wants to talk to you.
It's no wonder that 𝚸𝚗 left you without a word.
Kind of surveillance video that's recording us.
That's cool. No wonder 𝚘𝚘 struggled against this ability.
I came here only because you promised me a delicious dessert.
Well, yeah, I was referring to myself.
Ew, no.
You're so upset, try making me cry.
Okay, how about this? For being older than me, you're pretty short. Yeah.
You little...